Welcome to the Cash Flow Association. If you're worried about outliving your savings, not having enough for retirement, or struggling to make your money work harder for you, you're in the right place. Here at the Cash Flow Association, we're dedicated to helping people just like you, retirees and pre-retirees who want to secure, protect, and grow their wealth. Now, you might be wondering, why me? My name is Ted Morrow. I have over a decade of experience helping individuals turn stagnant savings into substantial wealth. Our businesses have done well over 8 figures, and our net worth is in the high 7 figures, all starting from ground zero. I've guided friends and family through innovative strategies like infinite banking and cash flow investing, turning small assets into legacies that last. My approach is built on practical, proven techniques that allow you to protect what you've earned, maximize your assets, and confidently enjoy the lifestyle you've worked so hard for. Who is the Cash Flow Association for? This community is designed for retirees and pre-retirees who already have a foundation of wealth and want to secure it for the future. You're someone with assets and savings looking for a way to make your money grow safely without taking unnecessary risks. You're here because you want to live your golden years with peace of mind, knowing your financial future is secure. So, what do you get when you join? Inside the Cash Flow Association, you'll gain instant access to my exclusive free wealth optimization course. This course teaches you how to maximize your existing wealth, protect your assets, and set yourself up for a secure, stress-free retirement. Along with the course, you'll get a one-on-one Secure Your Future strategy session with me to create a personalized roadmap tailored to your financial goals. And there's more. You'll also receive the Cash Flow Success Toolkit, packed with tools and resources to help you take control of your finances, plus access to a supportive community of like-minded wealth builders. The Cash Flow Association is more than just a course. It's a community, a roadmap, and a chance to take control of your financial destiny. Imagine a retirement where you're not just getting by, but thriving, secure in the knowledge that your wealth is working for you. So, if you're ready to take the next step, join us today. Click the yellow button on your screen now to secure your spot in the Cash Flow Association, and let's start building your financial freedom together. Don't wait. Your financial future is too important. Click the button to join the Cash Flow Association now. It's completely free, and let's make sure your wealth is ready to support the retirement you deserve.